Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Start by building a strong foundation in the basics. Truly understanding concepts like hybridization and resonance is crucial, as they underpin everything else. Don't just memorize reactions. Strive to comprehend the underlying mechanisms. This approach will make complex topics much clearer and help you apply knowledge to new problems. Consistent practice drawing structures is also key. Organic chemistry is an applied science, so active learning is essential. Dedicate time daily to solving a wide range of practice problems from your textbook and other resources. Don't skip steps. Meticulously work through each reaction mechanism. This helps you see the electron flow and understand why reactions occur. Recognizing common patterns among functional groups will also significantly boost your problem-solving efficiency. To truly master organic chemistry, you need to connect the dots. Develop your own summary sheets for reactions and reagents, organizing them logically. A powerful technique is to explain concepts out loud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals any areas where your understanding is weak. Consistent, spaced review of older material is also vital to ensure long-term retention and prevent information overload as new topics are introduced. For advanced study, consider using molecular modeling kits to visualize complex three-dimensional structures, which can be incredibly helpful. Forming study groups and collaborating with peers allows you to discuss challenging problems and gain new perspectives. Remember to check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that offers valuable insights into financial thinking, along with other helpful deals and resources. Consistent effort and smart strategies will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.